Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. We have just had arrive in stock a lovely delivery mileage pre-registered Volkswagen Crafter on a 2023 plate. This is the long wheelbase variant. It's the top power at 177 with an automatic gearbox and a huge spec. So just going to show you around it now. As you can see, it's got the LED lights. Lovely option, make a huge difference when you drive into the vision at night. Front fog lights ticked on the option list too. As you can see, bumper's been colour coded with lovely gloss black inserts and a satin contrast badge. Now the gloss black pack continues around the vehicle. Done the wing mirrors too and colour coded some other bits. So it's really good. Got the 20-inch alloy wheels with General Grabber AT3 wheels. Good on and off-road. So the perfect mix. Just gonna let you have a look at this from the side so you can see how it stands. Looks really good there. We would normally do these videos inside, but sadly this is just a little bit too high for our showroom. It doesn't quite go through the door. Got the running boards on the side too. Now inside the vehicle, the essential things like seats have been taken off just to have leather trim done. So these are going to be done in our lovely two-tone grey and black leather that we've done on other crafters. And it's a 3-seater. Now spec-wise, some lovely options on this. It's got a heated steering wheel, heated front seats, air conditioning, heated front screen, front and rear park sensors with camera, cruise control and power folding mirrors as well with the auto lights and wipers. Got the overcab storage, all part of the business pack. So some lovely options on there. Google Maps nav through the App Connect system. So you can essentially use nav that's on your phone on the screen and use it through the vehicle. So really useful as Google Maps obviously always up to date. Full step on the rear just to allow for easy access in. And as you can see, we've colour coded the remaining items on the rear. Inside we've left it totally blank, so if you want to run this as a really nice works van, perfect for that. You can just ply line it. Or if you're being quite adventurous and want to do some kind of conversion with it, then you can obviously trick it out however you want. But being the long wheelbase, it's got that extra space over the medium wheelbase. Perfect for a race van, mountain bike, etc. Moving into the front of the vehicle, just show you 25 miles is all it's done. Just delivery mileage from the dealer to us. I will point out just an inaccuracy before there. So it doesn't have the power folding mirrors. That was my mistake. It doesn't have those, but it has got heated mirrors. So it's got the auto lights and wipers as well. So quite a rare vehicle this. Quite a big order time if you're ordering one direct from Volkswagen. Here and ready to go. We've got 20 plus photos on the website, which is martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. Full written description too. And we do take part exchanges and can offer finance facilities. So if you're interested, just get in touch with us and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.